Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Shomu's Biology. In this video, we are going to talk about the CUET PG examination details. CUET PG is going to be the examination for doing MSc or postgraduate degree from different universities across different states of India. Right, so if you aspire to do post graduation in biological science, then CUET PG is the thing to go right now. So this table is not only stand true for biological science applicants, but for any other applicants appear for CUET PG entrance examination in India. So here it is at the detail list for you. The attribute is little and we are going to talk about the details for that. So name of the exam, Central University Entrance Test, CUET, postgraduate courses. So that is CUET PG. The next one is conducting body, that is National Testing Agency, the same testing agency that conducts CSIR, UGC NET examination. UGC NET examinations are that body conducting CUET PG examinations. Next one, purpose. Admission to postgraduate courses including MSc in participating central universities and other universities across India are the purpose to do and conduct CUET PG entrance examinations. Most of the good quality universities that comes under the central university belt will be open for you to do postgraduate program in life sciences, various disciplines of life sciences if you qualify CUET PG. The next one is the eligibility. The candidates must have completed or be in the final year of their bachelor's degree in order to be eligible to appear in this examination. The next one is application period. Typically, it's conducted annually and generally it's better to refer to the site for any of the entrance examination to know their dates because it might change from year to year. But for this time, it's going to be conducted, the form fill-up was done in the December, it's conducted in the March. And we are discussing about this idea in 2024. Next examination month is to be announced, but again the examination month is in the March. Application period is generally the December. Exam mode is computer based mode or CBT mode of examination. Question types, multiple choice questions or MCQs will be asked in this exam via the computer based model or CBT mode. Subject covered depends on specific postgraduate course. There are different test papers for different subjects. So obviously if you're applying for zoology MSc for PG course, then there is a different question paper. For biotechnology, different paper. For microbiology, different paper. Botany, different paper. Physiology, different paper. So for different subject, they have different papers. So based on that, the paper is designated. It's not like a single common paper, unlike the CSIR NET Life Science exam. So in CSIR NET, you came from any other discipline of life sciences, but ultimately the question paper is same, single, that is CSIR NET Life Science. But that is not the case in case of CUET PG Biological Science. If you're for zoology, applying for PG Zoology, the question paper will be on zoology. So frequency, it is conducted once a year. That is the frequency of CUET PG. Official website, CUET PG official website. You can simply, you cannot click here because the link is not active in the video. Although I put the link here, but it's not active in the video. You can simply get inside the CUET PG, search in CUET PG in the Google and see the URL. The original website, because there are so many other websites are showing information regarding it. Always trust the official website regarding the exam details. Believe me, not even this video, nothing. Please cross verify and cross check it with the recent notification by that governing body of that examination, because many things may change from year to year, from time to time. You may watch this video 2 years later, 3 years later, and by that time the pattern might change. So that's why it's very important for the entrance related videos, always cross check the information. So that's all about CUET PG examinations. Now if you want to know what other postgraduate degree entrance examinations are out there in India to conduct your postgraduate program after your graduation, then you can watch my video on the list of MSc entrance examinations in India. There's also there in my channel in YouTube. You can simply watch that video to get a better understanding of what other exams that are there in your hand to do your postgraduate degree. That's it. If you like this video, please hit a like button, share this video with your friends, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever we publish a new video, and also share it with your friends. Subscribe for better and much clearer understanding with the help of this kind of videos. Thank you.